How can I protect my house from jinn, evil eye, from black magic, and from envy? Some people say you have to do khatm. Others say you have to bring Maulana to make dua. People say that you have to slaughter a sheep and get the blood of the sheep and put it on the doorsteps and on the foundation before building the house. All of this is nonsense and shirk. To protect your wealth, to protect your offspring, your children, to protect your religion, you have to make dua. If you observe your morning and evening adhkar, your adhkar after fard prayer, your adhkar before going to bed, your adhkar before leaving the house, you will be protected by Allah Azza wa Jal. One of the great du'as that we were taught by our Prophet ﷺ to recite in the morning and in the evening, where each and every one of us should say it after the Fajr prayer and Asr or Maghrib prayer, is Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afwa wal-afiyah, al-afiyata fi dunya wal-akhirah. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afwa wal-afiyah fi dini wa dunyai wa ahli ومالي اللهم استر عوراتي وآمن روعاتي واحفظني من بين يدي ومن خلفي وعن يميني وعن شمالي ومن فوقي وأعوذ بعظمتك أن أغتال من تحتي. This great dua includes asking Allah Azza wa Jal to grant you protection in your religion, in your world, in your dunya, in your family, and in your wealth. Shaykh ibn Uthaymeen says, whoever observes saying this in the morning and the evening, Allah would protect his children. So you don't have to go and recite Ayat al-Kursi and blow, or recite the Mu'awwidhat and blow, or أُعِيذُكُمَا بِكَلِمَاتِ اللَّهِ التَّامَّةِ as in the hadith of Al-Hasan and Hussein. No, you don't have to do this. This would suffice. So if you manage to do this, Allah, with His grace, subhanahu wa ta'ala, would protect your house, your car, your wealth, your family, etc.